Hi there, it's Margee Moore, CEO of BigOrange Marketing, back with another Brand Boost Tuesday set of marketing tips. I've got 3 tips for you, and you may be noticing a trend. I'm always doing 3 tips. So tip number 1, all about bringing what's new to your team. Tip number 1 is appoint a team member to be in charge of paying attention to trends, latest marketing technologies, things like that, or your industry. And choose a person to do that, and then share regularly through your WhatsApp or your Slack channel with your team. Maybe not during concentrated work hours, but maybe in the evenings, have that person share that stuff into a WhatsApp channel. That's tip number 1. Tip number 2, for 2024, content repurposing. Consider taking your blog posts and how do you turn those into social media posts or videos. Content repurposing. Tip number 3, video shorts. Consider using video shorts. Don't wait for a great hair day. Amateur is the new professional. Make those video shorts and then make them consistently in your topics. Like, cover your core set of topics over and over. You should assume that people see about 10% of what you're doing out there. So it is okay to cover the same topics over and over. Like, we talk about StoryBrand, we talk about marketing. We're going to consistently cover those topics for you. All right, hope that helps.